good morning and happy Bach Day. Say good morning, Joe. What's that? What's that? Is that the recorder? Josephine wants to show you our big recorder. This is an Alto recorder, isn't it, Joe?